I would like to welcome you to this workshop. My greetings to the filmmakers and my colleagues on the dais and the students in the audience. This is a unique program. I have been attending several workshops in JNU, but conducting a workshop on filmmaking and on various aspects of filmmaking seems very interesting to me. You know, Mumbai has been the hub of commercial filmmaking, Bollywood, and we have Tollywood, we have Kollywood, and so on. We have art films. When I looked at the program schedule here, there are a range of topics on which this workshop is going to deliberate. But being a professor of electrical engineering from IIT Delhi, I keenly searched for one theme among the discussions in the program, that is on films based on science fiction. Apparently, there are no discussions on science fiction filmmaking in the topics, but maybe it is embedded somewhere in one of the topics. You may perhaps discuss about science fiction in filmmaking also. Especially in India, science fiction seemed to be not drawing much attention. If I remember, in earlier middle 60s, there was a Hindi film which spoke about space travel for the first time, sometime in middle of 1960s. Chand Pe Chhadaya, something like that. That was the name. It explored the issues related to space travel. And those were the times when India was building satellites. ISRO was working very seriously. We had stalwarts like Satish Dhawan, Vikram Sarabhai. So it was a very contemporary theme based on science fiction. And I heard that even Satyajit Ray tried making a science fiction based film, The Alien. And it was about a magical, an alien with magical powers which landed somewhere in the middle of a pond in rural West Bengal. And by manipulating the dreams of a small boy called Haba, the alien tried to become very friendly. But unfortunately, Satyajit Ray, he could not complete his project because of some copyright issues. And we had to wait for almost another 10 years to see another science fiction based film. It was called Blackmail, sometime in early 1970s. You will be surprised, this film was based on converting solar energy into electricity. And in 1970s, in fact, all over the world, there were very few scientists who were working on solar cells. And by the way, the concept of solar cell was actually invented in India by Jagdish Chandra Bose. It was he who obtained the first US patent on converting sunlight into electrical energy. And this movie, Blackmail, it actually coincided with the oil and energy crisis in those times in early 1970s and the consequent socio-economical and political consequences related to energy crisis. It was again very contemporary science fiction movie. And we had to wait for another 10 years or so to see a science fiction based movie based on time travel, Aditya 369. And then later we had several series of Krish 1, Krish 2, what is that name? Koi Mil Gaya? KMG, right? So somehow the reason why I'm mentioning is that although we have a wide range of movies, science fiction doesn't seem to be attracting much attention among our filmmakers. You of course have the recent PK although it is not a science fiction movie, it used an alien who came down and went around India to describe in a satirical way the religious practices of India. It had a message, although it created a storm across the country. I think in today's world, there are so many scientific advances that are taking place. You have cybercrime, you have internet, you have energy crisis, you have climate change, you have so many advances that are taking place in biology, cloning, and so on, GM foods. There are n number of topics if filmmakers want to use these themes to make science fiction based movies and also make them more contemporary to bring a message. For example, the kinds of changes that are coming in our lifestyle, the kind of changes that are happening in our social interactions because technology has become part of our lives. I think filmmakers have a lot of ideas, a lot of themes perhaps they can pick up if they want to make science fiction based movies. I'm sure the 2-day workshop will be very, very enlightening. I'm sure there are a lot of experts who are going to speak on various themes. I wish I could be part of this, but however, I had to leave in another 30 minutes or so. I wish you all the best, and I welcome you once again to this workshop. Thank you.